Hello, I'm Terry O'Mahony and I'm here to help you with the All-State Timpani Etude. Just a couple of things to think about before we start. This is a 8-measure etude. It's for 4 drums. You're going to need a 32-inch timpani, a 29-inch timpani, a 26-inch timpani, and a 23-inch timpani. The 32-inch timpani is going to be tuned to a low F. The 29-inch timpani is going to be tuned to a B flat. The 26-inch timpani is going to be tuned to a D. And the 23-inch timpani is going to be tuned to the high F. You want to use a pair of general timpani mallets, not staccatos or not rollers, but just general timpani mallets. You want to tune the drums and show that on the video. And the way you do that is you depress the pedal on each timpani. You get a reference pitch from like the bells, the xylophone, or the marimba. You sing that note. You hit the timpani once, and then using your foot, you press the pedal up and gliss up to the note that you're singing. All right? Then you can check your pitches against each other by playing the F, B flat, the D, and the F. That's what it should sound like. Okay? All right. A couple of practice techniques. What I would do if I were you is I would play it slowly at first to make sure that all of your rhythms are correct and that you're on the right drum. I've included a PDF of the etude with some suggested stickings in there, R for right, L for left. I found these to be helpful in moving around the drums when playing this particular etude. So I'm going to play it once slowly at metronome marking 80 beats per minute. Without any dynamics or accents, just to show you how it kind of moves around the drums, and then I'll play it with the accents and the dynamics. All right. So this is the etude, 80 beats per minute, no accents or dynamics. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because the last note has a fermata on it, I'm letting it, I'm rolling it a little bit longer than the metronome would normally indicate. When you play the etude, do not use a metronome. You may want to use it as a reference, but do not include the metronome as you play the etude, as I just did. So what I might do when I make my tape, if I were you, is get a reference tempo. Tick, tick, tick. So there's 80. 1, 2, 3, about that tempo, and then begin the etude and put the dynamics in. All right, good luck with your audition.